Hi guys, welcome. My name is Safira. If this is your first time on my channel, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Now we're gonna get started right away because I don't want to take too long. Keep this video nice and straight to the point, so let's go. Normally I start on freshly washed hair, but for this hairstyle I did it on an old blowout slash half frizzy straightened hair. I just felt like that made more sense since I was gonna use a lot of gel and hairspray again, so I just washed my hair after filming. By the way, that's a lot of info that nobody asked me for, but I like talk through voiceovers, so you might hear me ramble in between these clips here and there. Step 1 is making the first section, and that's just gonna be splitting my hair from ear to ear, and I just put the top part in a little bun for now since I'm gonna be working on the back first. Now I use the yellow argan oil eco styler gel. As always, it's my go-to for sleek hairstyles, and I basically applied it on the base of my ponytail since that's the part I want to slick down, and then yeah, just brush until it's smooth and make a normal basic ponytail with this back section. I checked out the position that I had my ponytail in before I applied gel. Just wanted to make sure I liked how high my ponytail was going to turn out. Now for this front section, I started by making my middle part first, and there's no explanation needed. This is pretty straightforward. Now this is the part where I got a little confused. As you can see, I couldn't remember what direction the two little front parts were going in, so I had to take a look at the inspiration picture again, but then I got it. So yeah, it's basically a normal part going to the front but with an angle, and I couldn't remember if I had to go down or up with an angle, and the more I hear myself speak now, the more confused I sound. So I'm just gonna put an illustration on the screen to make sense of this whole explanation. Now looking back at this video while editing now, I could make my parts more dramatically angled, if you get what I mean. They're actually too straight for my liking, so if you're gonna recreate this style, keep that in mind. So I just did the same thing on the other side, and then I ended up with two angled sections. I worked on the two bigger left and right sides first, so I applied some gel and brushed it into a smooth ponytail that I then joined with the first ponytail I did. Oh, and I also sprayed some hairspray after brushing it smooth, and I used my blow dryer as well just to speed up the drying process of the spray. So I just put my blow dryer on the cool setting, and this is also a good tip for sleek ponytails. Work in sections, spray and blow dry on cool.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yarn. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling.
Now I'm working on the first smaller front section, and it's basically the same thing, just instead of brushing it kind of in a swoop to the side, you want to brush these two parts straight to the back.
Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts have trouble me. I need to give up my pain. I need to be on my lane. My mind, I need to the other side. I need time to leave my life. I need try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need, I really need my love. I really need a different mind out. I really need, I really need my love. I really need, I need to bring my mind out. I really need, I really need my love. I really need a different mind out. I really need my love. Oh yeah.
Now for the hair in my ponytail, I use my flat iron to create some curls, but you can do whatever you want to. The base of this ponytail makes the whole look, and in the back you can be free and do whatever you desire. Business in the front, party in the back. So that was this cute simple hairstyle. Hopefully you try it out for yourself and let me know how it turned out. If you enjoyed watching, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.